This video will look at how to cook spaghetti slowly to perfection using a slow cooking method. This method will also reduce your energy bills, resulting in less worry and stress when you give your family their foodie favorite. Kitchen tips that make cooking even easier. Save money on energy bills when cooking spaghetti. First, let us weigh out some spaghetti. Around 50 grams of spaghetti is great for one person. We have weighed out around 100 grams for 2 to 3 people. Next, boil a kettle of water. Set the hob to maximum and place the pan on the hob. Put the uncooked spaghetti in the pan. Next, add the boiling water covering most of the uncooked spaghetti. Add a good pinch of salt. Bring the pan to the boil. Stir the spaghetti with a fork to ensure that it is separated. Place the lid on the pan and bring the water to a full boil. Keep boiling until you see bubbles form on top of the water. Remove the pan lid and stir again with a fork to ensure that the spaghetti is still separated. Place the lid on the pan and turn the hob off and leave the spaghetti for up to 30 minutes. This allows the spaghetti to slowly cook without using energy. While the spaghetti is cooking, you have 30 minutes to easily make your favorite bolognese or chili sauce that you can add to the spaghetti later. When you are ready to serve the food, remove the pan lid and loosen the spaghetti with fork or kitchen tongs. Place the lid on the pan, using the maximum hob heat, and bring the water back to the boil. When it starts to boil, turn off the hob, remove the pan lid and use a slotted spatula, food tongs or fork to make sure the spaghetti is still separated. Finally, serve by draining the water from the pan or use a slotted spatula, food tongs or fork to safely remove the spaghetti from the pan to a serving plate. The spaghetti is perfectly cooked, with no risk of burning or sticking while cooking. You have also just saved energy and reduced your fuel bill as the hob has only been on for a few minutes. Traditionally, it would take 10 to 18 minutes while the spaghetti cooks using medium hob heat. So why not give it a try? Let us know how it turned out for you in the comments.
You made it to the end of this video, so please consider giving it a thumbs up. Why not share it with your family and friends on social media who will also find this video interesting? More people watching increases awareness of what we do, resulting in more people improving their health, escaping diabetes, and losing weight. Take care, and we will see you in the next video.